Are you having hair fall? At the same time, you feel fatigued, you're having weakness, loss of appetite, sometimes even nausea or vomiting. You feel your skin has become a bit pale or yellowish in due course of time. Sometimes you feel mental confusion, you feel some headache, and your tongue has become reddish and smooth. These are a few symptoms which you may feel, not all but any one of them, along with hair fall. I would recommend you see a hair doctor because you might be suffering from vitamin B12 deficiency. In today's video, let us discuss what is vitamin B12 deficiency, when you're having it, what all things you should do, what are the foods you should have, whether injection is required or not, and what will happen with your hair when you're having vitamin B12 deficiency. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, and in this video, we'll be discussing your hair and vitamin B12. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more such educational and testimonial videos. Now, why vitamin B12 is important? Vitamin B12 is required for the myelination of nerves in the nervous system. Along with that, it is very much essential for DNA synthesis of all of our body cells, and it is very much required for red blood cell formation. So you see, it is a key component in our body functioning as well as, anatomy and physiology. So much so that it should be an essential part of our diet. Why essential? Because sadly our body does not make vitamin B12. Therefore, we require vitamin B12 from animal sources. Why? Because plant sources have negligible amount of vitamin B12. Rather, we should say they don't have vitamin B12. So the richest sources are animal meat, poultry, and dairy products. Now, for people like us who are vegetarians, we rely on dairy products, but the vegan cannot even have that. Even if my food has vitamin B12, it is only 1 to 2% which my body actually gets. Why? Because digestion and assimilation of vitamin B12 is very complicated. Let me just quickly tell you how. Vitamin B12 is bound to the protein in our food, and it must be released from the food before it is absorbed. This process of digestion starts in the mouth itself. So you see, when the food comes in the stomach, vitamin B12 is further released from the food and combines with HC. Also, its friend, intrinsic factor, starts coming with it to the next part, duodenum. Here, the point is that good acid should be here for vitamin B12 absorption, and our lining should be proper for vitamin B12 absorption, and there should be intrinsic factor so that it gets inside the body and eventually to wherever it is needed. These are those medications which you take for as antacids, especially pantoprazole, and this group of drugs can decrease vitamin B12 absorption from your food, apart from other problems which I'll just come to. We all know normal levels of vitamin B12 in the body, but suppose I don't have enough vitamin B12 in my body so that I'm having a lot of hair fall. What should I do? I can take oral medication. So oral replenishment of vitamin B12 is now possible, especially the sublingual tablets which get dissolved under your tongue, and they are good because then you don't need the stomach factors for absorption of this vitamin B12. Still, sometimes people need injections. Why? Because people can have absorption problems in the intestinal lining like celiac disease and so on. So if somebody has that, we need to have injection of vitamin B12. This your doctor will prescribe whenever it is required. Now, do all the people who are having hair fall get benefit when they are giving vitamin B12? We'll come to this very important question, but first let me tell you something about if you want to see your hair transplant probable picture before actually undergoing the surgery, you can now take help of artificial intelligence. In very quick 3 simple steps. Go to the Saraswat Hospital app, click on the PeekAI feature, upload your pictures. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive the probable results of your hair transplant surgery. Not only that, you will get a set of questions which you can ask your doctor whenever you go for consultation so that you know your procedure better. Also, we'll tell you the approximate number of grafts which may be required by you for your hair transplant. Coming back to the topic, if you have any questions till now, you can ask in the comment section below, or if you want to have a consultation regarding your hair loss, your hair transplant, you can call on these numbers or you can WhatsApp us your pictures. So if I gave vitamin B12 to all my patients, will it help? It will help only if they are suffering from B12 deficiency. If your deficiency is cause of hair loss, then vitamin B12 supplementation will be of much help. Maybe it's the only thing you require. So do see your hair doctor today. Kindly share this video with somebody who is suffering from a hair loss problem. If you want to see home remedies of hair loss, you can click on the link on the right. And if you want to see testimonial videos after hair transplant, you can click the link on the left.